Hello. So today we're going to do an arc length word problem. So we have the following prompt. A rope is being wound around a drum with radius 0.875 feet. How much rope will be used if the drum is rotated through an angle of 39 degrees? So this is an arc length problem. So my formula for arc length is S equals theta times R. Theta must be in radians, because radians are a unitless measure, and I need my final answer, my arc length, to be units of length. I want feet, right? I want to know how many feet of rope will be used. And so I have to use a unitless measure in order to achieve that, because radius is already in feet. So I know that radius, I can pull that straight out of my problem statement. That's 0.875 feet. Theta, I have it in degrees. I need to convert that into radians. So I will do that by multiplying by pi over 180. And then I will simplify, which will give me 13 pi over 60. I do recommend that you keep it in exact form for now, because often if you use a decimal approximation, you introduce a rounding error, and then sometimes your final answer will be incorrect because of that rounding error. So I strongly recommend that you leave it as 13 pi over 60 for now and don't do the rounding until the very end. So I have theta in radians, and I have r, the radius, in feet. I can use my formula. So S equals theta, which is 13 pi over 60, times r, which is 0.875 feet. Do continue to keep your units as you move through the problem. I'll plug this into my calculator and get a decimal approximation, which will be 0.596 feet. So that is how we solve this word problem for arc length.